Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JBL Live 300 truly wireless earbuds. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $150. Now they come in 4 different colors. You got black, purple, white, and blue. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. You got JBL signature sound. You get ambient aware and talk through technology. 6 hours worth of battery on a single charge with an additional 14 hours using the charging case. So that's a total of 20 hours battery. Now these also feature quick charge, so 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour worth of playtime. You got hands-free stereo calls, access to your voice assistants like Google and Alexa. These are IPX5 sweat and water resistant, and they feature Bluetooth 5.0 and USB Type-C charging. Alright, so all of that for $150. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
White shoes.
calm down. Alright, here we go. JBL Live 300 truly wireless earbuds. Now on a side note, leave it in the comments. Let me know if y'all want me to do a comparison with the JBL Reflect Flows. We got the Tune 120s and the Tune 220s. So I'll let y'all know which ones are the best in a separate video if y'all want to see that. All right, here we go. Let's see. Did I miss anything? Instant access to your voice assistants, ambient aware, talk through technology, hands-free stereo calls, sweat and water resistant. Okay, so we got the Spider-Man on deck. Here we go. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay. Okay, package is trolling a little bit. Let's do that one more time. Rah. Okay. All right, anger levels increasing. Rah! There it is. Okay, so inside the box, got a quick start guide. Plug it and file it. Flick of the wrist. Okay, now this is a nice presentation alert. Let's see what's in here. This is going to be your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Google Assistant. Basically a bunch of quick start guides. These are your Live 300s. Okay. Now, classic JBL. I know, I always do it the hard way. You got a charging cable. Now, this is USB-A to USB Type-C. Now, these are one of those cables that I actually don't like because look how small it is. I hate these little small cables like this, but it is what it is. And these are going to be your earbuds. And that's pretty much it. JBL Live 300s. Let's see inside. Okay, now this is right and left. On the outside, you got JBL branding. I went with the blue color. Gold tip pins on the inside, right and left. Here's your charging case. Left and right. Slap these in real quick. Shoes. Gotta be quick with shoes on deck. Let's see. Slap these in real quick. I know. Shoes. Scoot. JBL branding on the front. Okay, does this light up? Yeah, that lights up on the bottom. That's pretty sick. That's your USB Type-C charging slot. On the inside, you got your little reset button. And again, right and left branding. Simple and straightforward. All right, so I'll pause the video. I'll grab a phone and we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so first, let's test the magnets in the charging case. So we'll start off with minimum shakage. Okay, no movement. Let's increase to intermediate shakage. Okay, no movement. Now let's go to maximum shakage. Rah, 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 rah. Okay, so you can pop them out with maximum shakage, but these basically ain't gonna move around. Next up, let's start the pairing process. Okay, so I'm going to open up the earbuds, take them out of the case. Okay, we just got an alert. Let's click on that. JBL Live 300s connecting. Fully connected. All right, so the next thing you want to do is download the JBL My Headphones app and do the update. All right, so once you finish the update, here's what the app is going to look like. Now let's run through this real quick. We'll select the Live 300s. Let's take it over to settings. Now you got your play and pause automation. So basically what that means is if you're playing music and you take one earbud out, it'll automatically pause your music. You got auto off, so if you leave your earbuds on the table, they'll power off to save battery. You got your voice assistant. All right, so you got Google and Alexa. I'm going to leave it on Google. You got Find My Buds. Now check this out. I'm going to take one of the earbuds out. Let's look for the right earbud. You hear that sound? All right, that's pretty dope. Let's turn that off. Mad loud in my ear. Let's see, you got product help and you got your firmware. Now you can also activate talk through right from the app. Oh, this sounds crazy. Now I'm wearing the earbuds right now. Once I activated talk through, my voice is crystal clear. So this will be perfect to have a conversation without taking your earbuds off. Let's activate ambient aware. Now I can actually hear my surroundings. I can hear White Shoes scratching in her box. That's pretty dope. And you also have an EQ. So you got off, jazz, vocal, and bass, and you could do custom. All right, so that's pretty sick. Fully functional app. All right, so I got the earbuds in my ears, and it's a nice, comfortable, snug fit. I love that little wingtip that's on the inside. Matter of fact, let's do the head shake test. I'll start off at 50% shakeage. Okay, no movement. Let's increase to maximum head shakeage. Okay, no movement at all. So these will be perfect for the gym. Now let me show you what they're going to look like. All right, very discreet. Like I said, I went with the blue color. And on the side note, do y'all see the Corona Afro? It's getting out of hand. Now, for the most important part, the sound test. All right, so I got a classic song queued up. We got Hall & Oates, Out of Touch. I'm going to start off at max volume with the EQ set on bass. All right, Birdman hands rubbing together. I promise y'all I'm not going to sing, but let me grab my mic just in case. All right, one tap for play and pause. Let's get into it. Woo! Okay, right out of the gate, these are nice and loud. Okay, I just felt a little bass. Let's go. Hold up, I got to get my mic. Hold up. Woo! Yo, these sound good. All right, they sound good. I'm starting to feel it. All right, let's go, Shoes. Shake it up is all that we know. Using the bodies up as we go. I'm waking up to a fantasy. The shades all around aren't the colors we used to see. Broken ice still melts in the sun. The times that are often can often be broke again. We're so alone and so really matters to me. Take a look around. You're out of touch. I'm out of time, but I'm out of my head when you're not around. You're out of touch. I'm out of time, but I'm out of my head when you're not around. Whoa, whoa, let's go, Shoes. Where you at? Woo! All right, hold up. One tap for play and pause. Matter of fact, let me just take one earbud out. Automatically paused. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, hold up. I got to keep it real. I'm loving these so far. All right, the sound is excellent. Now let me try out a few different songs. All right, so I just finished testing out a bunch of different songs from a bunch of different genres, and I got to keep it a buck with y'all. On a scale of 1 to 10, these are a major go. The sound quality just blew me away. These might actually be the Galaxy Buds Plus killers. Let's do some more testing. All right, so now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Let's hit play on the music. Okay, so I'm going to take out the left earbud, slap it in the case. Let's hit play. Okay, so the right side is still playing. Let's put the left earbud back in. Wait for it to reconnect. Okay, they're both playing now. Take out the right side, drop it in the case. Just disconnect it. Let's hit the play on the music. No music. Nope. Disconnected. So if you want to listen to one earbud, it has to be the right side. All right, so now let's do the range test. Now these are Bluetooth 5.0, so they should be guaranteed 30 feet, but we'll walk to 40 feet and 50 feet just to be safe. So play on the music, and we'll start walking. Here we go. You don't even know. You don't even know. All right, this is 30 feet. This is 40 feet. 50 feet. With me right now, you don't even know it. John, watch me. You don't even know it. I'm coming back. Yo, that monster truck sit tall as fuck, so big, can't even tow it. All right, hold up. Woo, that's my song right there. All right, so I walked all the way to 50 feet, no drop connection at all. All right, so now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Okay, so far so good. Okay, no lag at all. Zero lag. Now this is YouTube. Let me try Netflix. All right, so I'm watching a little Back to the Future on Netflix. Let's see if there's any lip sync delay. Okay, no delay at all. All right, so now let's check the call quality. All right, I'm dialing to Maya. You see JBLs. Let's get max volume. Yep. Hi, girlie. Surprise. New phone number alert. New phone. Who dis? Yo. I know. Yo, I am about to be the supreme fat ass. Yeah, I just called the boil. They said, come through. Let's go. All right. I know. No, I got you. Come on, you know I can't do it by myself. Come on, I got you. All right, check this out. You sound like you outside. I'm doing a video right now. How do these earbuds sound? You sound good? Sound clear? All right, you sound crystal clear to me. What you doing? You outside? You social distancing? All right, good. All right, cool. All right, so I'm going to call you back when I'm on my way to the boil. Jealous. Somebody's jealous. Fellas, there's a jealous girl in our town. Oh, hello. Wait. Amaya. She got me. All right. All right, she was like, back. All right. Phone call quality sounded pretty good. She sounded crystal clear. She said she heard me fine. No problems with that. All right, so real quick, all of the touch controls do work. So you got one tap for play and pause. No problems with that. You can swipe forward to raise the volume. Swipe backwards to lower the volume. Double tap to skip to the next song. Triple tap to reverse songs. If you swipe on the left earbud, that turns on the talk through mode. And if you press it and hold it, it'll activate your voice assistant. No problem with the touch controls. All right, now y'all know I couldn't end this video without finding out for sure if these are actually the Galaxy Buds Plus killers that I think they are. So first, I'm going to start off with the Galaxy Buds Plus. Max volume, EQ set to bass boost. We're on YouTube Music, both Galaxy phones, Nipsey Hussle Blue Laces. Okay, here we go. Now, y'all know this song already. The bass drop from the gods. All right, here we go. Oh, babe. Woo! Okay. All right. That bass drop is ridiculous. All right, those sound incredible. Now, let me throw in the JBLs. Same song. Now, the JBLs are definitely louder. I'm waiting for that bass drop. Oh, let's go! All right, hold up. It's official. Ladies and gentlemen, the JBL Live 300s are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus killers. These are louder. That bass drop was more intense. If it was me and my money, I would go with the JBLs, no doubt. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the JBL Live 300s are a major go. These are officially the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus killers. Now, they're IPX5 sweat and water resistant, so you can rock these to the gym. You got a nice, snug, comfy fit. They're not going to move around. You got 6 hours worth of playtime on a single charge and an additional 14 hours using the charging case. So that's a total of 20 hours worth of battery. That's pretty good. Plus, you got fast charge. So 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour worth of playtime. The call quality was pretty good. No lag when you're watching your videos. All of the touch controls work. You got Bluetooth 5.0. They passed the 50 feet test. No problems. The ambient aware and talk through technology, they work flawlessly. So you don't got to take these out to have a conversation. You got an app so you can change the EQ and change all of the settings. But most importantly, the sound. The sound quality on these is going to blow you away. Nice and loud, crystal clear, deep punchy bass. Look, if you listen to hip-hop music or EDM or anything with a hard bass line and you want something that's going to be loud in your ears, you need to check these out. These get way louder than the Galaxy Buds Plus. Like I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, these are a triple major go. The only thing missing is wireless charging. But it is what it is. Anyway, JBL Live 300s. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early, #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock wanted to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Alright, look, I'm going to be honest with y'all. After hearing these, I'm too hyped to try these out. So I'm going to do a separate video with the Tune 220s, with the Tune 120s, and the Reflect Flows. Stay tuned.